Hello, today I am reviewing the Perixx Periboard-624 wireless mini membrane ergonomic split keyboard. This is a very good price, not too expensive. Split keyboard is one of the cheapest ones out there on the market. Most split keyboards are actually pretty expensive, so this one's really good. I like it, and I like everything about it. It's really easy to type. It allows me to keep my hands straight and my wrists straight and my elbows at 90 degrees. I can split it as far as I want or as close as I want. I can do an angle if I want. It does come with little legs, so I could lift it and do all kinds of things if I wanted. I just like to keep it flat so that my wrists are as flat as possible to prevent any injuries. It does come with this USB receiver. The reason why I don't love the wireless version is because each side requires two AAA batteries, so that's a lot, in my opinion, a lot of batteries to use. That's the only con, I would say. Other than that, these are pretty good keyboards. I like it. It's very familiar, so I went with the wired version because I didn't want to be spending so much money on batteries. So this is what the wired version looks like. It's exactly the same. It's just wired instead of wireless, and as you can see, the wired is really long, so it does give you a lot of movement. You just have to deal with that wire, but it looks exactly the same. And this is what the back looks like. And then this one also came with a little leg, so you could, put it higher or at a certain angle of your preference. And interestingly enough, I also have the Perixx mouse, so now I have the set. And I purchased this separately. I had no idea. So yeah, this is a Perixx Periboard-624 ergonomic split keyboard. I recommend it. Familiar keys, good price, and allows your hands to sit straight and at a 90-degree angle.